Kami na kalabsat sa sakbay ting kam pinagtutuloy kay may pangailangan pinagkusuan ng kam pinakisimpat siya iti Cueva family kaya na ito yung servisyo pagpatulog kami kata kami iti PNJ di Guzman Funeral Homes.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Servisyo nga ipagpatulog kata kami iti management iti punerarya so nanusang na kami ako nga dugay aging gana iti 12 midnight. Kaya dagiti supaganan kaya kami tugtugan kaya di papangailan ta dati grupo mi the Jesus One Man Band all the way from Rosales, Pangasinan. Kaya iti ENG di Guzman Funeral Homes iti pamilya kinasitnan Cueva family. Manila po na yung bagarabi tayo nga awan tilabas na. Kasama ta po ang katlawan mi ng inyong barangay officials na idadawluan apo ti punong barangay tayo na Honorable Rafi Mendoza, kaya nagiti members of the council, kaya nagiti nagtumapay na appointed officials and employees of the barangay. Ngayon magrabi tayo ng awan kilabas na po.
And make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that lives may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads and every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life, you are my life. You're the love of my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I can't live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone the way, help me take the right direction, take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life, you are my life. You're the love upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. God.